Wieliczka. This building looks rather inconspicuous from the outside, but inside it hides an unusual, colorful secret. This is an ornament factory, which we are happy to explore. This is the largest factory, at least in the south of Poland. Our production capacity is about 7,000 ornaments per month. And all handmade. Here you will find plenty of different ornaments, whatever your holiday spirit desires. Ornaments large and small, shiny, matte, transparent, colored, or covered with glitter. Glass wonders from this factory are shipped to many places around the world. They are conquering the US, among other countries. They have even made their way to the White House. They were also ordered by such celebrities as Al Pacino and Tom Hanks. A real ornament, by definition, should be made of glass, blown by a real glassblower, and hand-blown. Moreover, all the heart and passion should be poured into it. So let's see what path the Christmas ornament takes before it ends up on our Christmas tree. The first step is the work of the glassblower, who blows the shape out of the glass heated to a high temperature. To prepare more complicated shapes, these molds are used. Now it's time for the so-called silvering, and here, as you can see, a little magic. From a transparent ornament, it becomes silver. We pour two substances, silver nitrate and distilled water with glucose. The following process takes place during the soaking in hot water. The silver will stick to the walls of our ornament. This is a type of primer. All this is done so that the ornaments have a deep color. Now matting, that is, giving a specific color. After such a bath, the ornaments must dry in a special tunnel. And here is where they are decorated, meaning the application of all the colors, all the glitters, all the details on the ornament. This is the most important and also the most difficult stage. Now it's time for the final touches and precise decoration of the ornaments with, for example, diamonds or pearls. Check out these small masterpieces. We like our job very much. Christmas is basically all year round with us. It's colorful, glittery, and fun. At the end, quality checking and packaging. Now the ornaments will go to our homes and, of course, land on our Christmas trees.